Welcome to Dr. Social Programs. In this video, I would like to answer the question, which is stronger, vegetarians or meat eaters? At this Dr. Social Programs, in the first half, I would provide you the outline of carefully selected one question, and in the latter half, I would answer the question deeper than anywhere else. And at the ending scene, I would post the day's key points in writing. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Today, when climate crisis is such a big issue world over, going vegetarians and vegans are also attracting more attentions. As you know, while Mr. Bill Gates is working on stopping global warming, so many celebrities are shifting to become vegetarians or vegans, partly for their health because of the guilt they are feeling for animals they are hurting. And now, in the second half, I would like to answer which is actually stronger, vegetarians or meat eaters. If you are interested in these questions, please subscribe to this channel by clicking at the green character channel logo you see in the corner. And now, which is stronger? I would like to answer this question by the theory of physics. There are two psychological conditions. One is called compartmentalization, in which we deal with the different situations by our split different selves. The other is called integration, in which those split selves are unified in one functional whole. Though it is said compartmentalization is functional in a short time period to deal with the difficult situations, it cannot last forever and also weak and fragile to external pressures, while integration is stable and reliable for a long time, highly resilient to external pressures. Getting back to our original question of vegetarians and meat eaters, which is stronger, considering animals are part of nature, human beings eating the same mammals is considered as one type of distractions of nature, which indicates we are split from our natural environment, while vegetarians and vegans are consistent to our natural design of mainly eating plant-based foods, as chimpanzees are, whose DNA is 95% identical to that of human beings. And now, looking at what is going on in today's world, we see so many egoistic people whose voices are so loud as to control the situation. However, in reality, we don't see those radical people having last for very long. As Hitler could not accomplish Third Reich, Putin is highly unlikely to achieve his goal of annexing Ukraine because their acts are against the dynamics of integrating the global community. Compartmentalization is short-term self-defense mechanism which cannot last for a long time. So, to the question, which is stronger, vegetarians or meat eaters? The answer is vegetarians, which represents integration with this organic planet, consistent to the law orchestrating everything on this planet Earth, which is nature. In other words, compartmentalization is temporary measure used only in transition period, which is never the goal. And one other thing, at a critical moment, when we feel extreme pressure on us, such as taking entrance examinations or critical moment of sports competitions or whatnot, those who were neglected during childhood is very weak, and it's difficult for them to cross the line to achieve the positive result. because their mental mechanics are compartmentalized due to their disadvantageous childhood. The one who can always win at the critical period constantly and reliably are those whose spirit is being positive. Getting back to what we are talking about, meat eating can be said enjoying what we obtained by murders. And there's always negative energy and curse from each piece of meat we eat by those who were abused and killed. In that sense, vegetarians or vegans, not having committed any of those violent crimes to other fellow mammals, they have nothing to afraid of, even at the critical moment, and they have this strong, positive spirit backing them up at their most difficult situations. Thank you for watching, and if you like this kind of deep discussions, please be subscribers to this channel by clicking that channel logo, and also I would really appreciate your hitting that likes to give me energy. This is it. Today may have been a very difficult day to some of you. I'm wishing you a peaceful night wherever you are watching these videos on the same small planet Earth. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.